Hello again, Rebecca here, back with another video. Today we are finishing up our Summer Vibes Close to My Heart workshop kit. This is the last layout in the workshop, and I'm going to use, when I did the first page, I got them mixed up. I used 3 on the first part of this double page design and 2 for the second page. It should have been reversed. So have you seen I bold in that 3x4 card that comes with the collection kit. It does not come with the workshop, but it comes with the collection kit. I bought it separately, and I'm going to use that as one of the cards. I'm going to, and there's the first page right there. What I'm going to do is I line them up. I'm going to get some adhesive on one side of this white daisy cardstock, and I'm just going to line them up like so that it's even. I mean, they're not going to be sitting, they're going to be, facing each other in my album, but not so close that you'll be able to tell if they're off a smidge, but if they were off a lot, you'd definitely be able to tell. I'm going to go ahead and get the other parts of those laid down. And then I'm following the instructions, and I'm taking some liquid adhesive so that I can glue these 2 pieces together. I use the liquid because you have time to move it around. As you guys know, the ATG dry adhesive, it's stuck, and then you got to peel it back up. I'm going to go ahead and attach that to the sheet. And I'm going to hold it just for a minute because it has that wet adhesive there as well. These are the photo mats in black cardstock. I'm going to grab my Creative Memories trimmer, and I'm going to trim down this cute little card. And it says just relax. It will make sense in a minute as to why I am choosing that. We were all working in the yard. This is my fiance and his daughter. She had the power washer, and he was like, hey, can you get the mud off of me? And his hands are like, just relax, hold on, because she was about to blast him with it. He's like, it will hurt. Very funny. So I'm trimming those down to, I believe, 3x3s. All 3 of them. I'm going to throw the scraps in my recycling bin there. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere them to the photo mats. And this one as well. And then the third, well, the second picture, the third one to be photo matted. I loved working with this kit. If you would like to pick it up, I will have it in the description below. As you can see there, I was pointing that I adhered it. I thought I was recording, and I was not. Now I'm just going to put on the little flip-flops, and those are 2 pieces that you are to glue together. I did not make you watch me do that. I'm going to tuck those little guys in, and I'm going to grab the 3 flowers that are done the same way. I'm going to pop some of them up on foam adhesive, and I'm just going to look for some foam, and I'm going to get these stuck down. These are quite smaller in total mass size, so I have to use more of them, and they are quite old, so they are not very cooperative. But the good thing is that the little adhesive back comes off, or the little release paper comes off real quick. I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm looking to see where that's supposed to be stuck. Trying to get it in the vicinity. Once it's stuck, these suckers, like I said, they're old, so the adhesive is very temperamental. This cute little flamingo, I'm going to go ahead and stick him right there. I'm going to use my liquid adhesive on these. I guess they're palm fern leaves. I'm not real sure. I only do it down the middle. And then I was like, great. I should have stuck this down first, but I am able to make it look just the way it should. I'm going to use some liquid adhesive on that one. I'm going to use liquid adhesive on this little flower, and I believe the next one, same one thing. And I did not adhere the entire edges down to all those things, just it gives it a little bit more dimension. Again, I am going to actually just pull that one up. The adhesive's still wet, so I'm able to just go ahead and get it where it needs to go. That is the Art Glitter Glue in my fine liner. Now this is a die cut that came with the workshop, and I'm going to use a ton of these little guys because I'm going to pop that up as well. And it goes up there, I believe it goes up there by that top pair of flip-flops. These are very beautiful colors together. Oh, my tummy just growled. It's early in the morning here. I'm sitting outside enjoying my cup of coffee and watching wildlife. Like I said, I will go ahead and leave the link to my Close to My Heart channel below if you'd like to pick up this collection. If not, I understand. I have noticed that my Close to My Heart videos don't get as many views as the rest of them, but that's okay. I like working with the collections, and nowadays I film pretty much every layout I make. So it is what it is. No, I lied. It goes in the middle there. Still cute. I'm going to use my Art Glitter Glue again on these little die cut flowers. There are yellow ones and that one pink one, so I'm going to grab all the yellow ones now and just get those put to where they need to be. I am tucking some in. These are little enamel shapes that came with the kit. They're little yellow hearts. And I'm just putting them around the layout where they're supposed to go, because I am following pretty closely this little enamel pink star. He stuck to my finger. I'm going to get him up there. I'm going to go ahead and grab the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and I'm going to do these little word stickers. That one I'm going to lay flat. This next one I'm going to pop up on these little foam tapes, which takes me a minute because they're like the exact size of the sticker, so I have to kind of fuss with it to get some on there. Wouldn't have had to fuss with it, Becky, if you would have went and got your foam, but it's okay. It's okay. We're working through it. We're working through it together. But I need to use up those supplies anyway because they're just taking up room in my... I could totally put more stuff in my craft room if I didn't have all these packages. So I'm going to go ahead and center that one line it up with the edge of the paper right there. Going back to the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And this is a pair of sunglasses that I'm also going to pop up on foam tape. Just because a lot of things, it's flat to the... I'm changing it up and putting some dimension in there. I'm going to take these little blue circles. They're in Glacier, and every one that it didn't call for all of them. It only called for 3, but I was like, what else am I going to do with these? I have a lot of hearts left from this workshop. I have a lot of scraps and stuff. I'm going to be able to do like several other layouts. But since I bought the collection kits and the sticker sheets and the coordinating cardstock as well as this workshop kit and the little cards, don't you guys worry, I'm going to be able to make lots of fun layouts with this stuff. I'm going to go ahead and scatter these little dots all around the page. Now, I do put the ones where they show to put them on the design, but some of these, most of them I add to other little places where I'm like, yep, we need something right there. We need something right there. And the ones that were kind of off in no man's land by themselves, I just added a couple extra to them because I thought they looked cute. I did not mean to stick him there, but, well, he fell and that's where he went. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these little enamel hearts on here because there wasn't enough left to save. I'm going to put this little sun up here with this other sun because that's what it says. This little pom-pom here, he's going to go down the bottom by the sunglasses. And back to the sticker sheet we go. Oh, I was cleaning up my mess. Now it's back to the sticker sheet we go to grab what I can. again, even though I have some of the stickers left, I will be able to use them, like I said, to make more layouts without having to follow instructions. And I'm just showing you that's all that we have left. It wasn't, none of that was called for in the workshop. Bonus. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Cool Mint stickles, and I'm going to embellish all the little circles. And this time I do not stick my hand in any of it. I'm also going to give all those little flowers little centers. And after that, I do not believe there is much more that I do with this layout. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.